Hey, so I recently dived into the fascinating world of Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals, particularly focusing on getting started with deploying deep learning models for computer vision. Azure's got this really powerful platform that not only streamlines model development but also ensures a smooth deployment, and that's what I want to share with you today. Imagine you've got this amazing deep learning model, and it's all geared to revolutionize computer vision tasks. The catch is, making it accessible through a production environment requires some serious setup and fine-tuning. Azure Machine Learning comes in super handy for that, and I'm here to walk you through the ins and outs. First off, Azure offers this neat integrated suite of services that essentially forms the backbone of model deployment. You start with Azure Machine Learning Service, which lets you do everything from model building and training to deploying these models to the Azure cloud, where your app, be it mobile or web-based, will access the model. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's get technical for a second. The backbone of this cloud solution lies in a scalable architecture. It's crucial to pick the right compute target, whether that's on-demand compute instances or a fixed-size virtual machine, to handle workloads effectively without overspending resources. Azure's Kubernetes service, Azure Container Service, also provides containerization for the model to ensure portability and scalability across different environments. As you've got your model architecture figured out, let's talk datasets. This is where Azure Cognitive Services can come into play, specifically the computer vision APIs, for preprocessing your images before they reach the model. That's always a good move. Then, there's the part of saving your model artifacts in Azure's blob storage, where you should store your .onnx and .flight models securely. That way, they're safe, and your app can access them seamlessly. So, deploying the model.